Hello, friends. Say hi, friends.
Hi, friends. We are reading Bear Snores On.
We are going to read the book The Bear Snores On. And the author is Karma Wilson. That means they wrote the book. The author wrote the book. And the illustrator is Jane Chapman. And she drew the pictures. Okay, let's read Bear Snores On. What season do you think this is? Do you think it's summer or fall or
Snow.
Snow? So it's winter. It's cold. Whew. Good thing it's not cold here anymore. Bear snores on.
The bear snores on.
Okay, ready, Ari? In a cave, in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear.
And she's deep.
And she's sleeping. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night.
And it snows.
The cold wind howls and the night sound growls, but the bear snores on. Uh-oh. Gotta move this back so you can see. Okay. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-patter tiptoe creep-crawled in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights a wee twig with a small hot spark. The pip-pop of the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare pops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." And they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff, sniff in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in."
Yes.
Every nibble they munch with a chomp, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in within Great Bear's den.
But the bear.
Not yet, here it comes. They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps throughout a party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons a snoo. Then a small pepper flake makes the bear go achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear growls, bear snarls, bear roars, and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles.
Scary!
Ah! Oh, but you snuck in my lair and you've had all your fun. But me, I was sleeping and I've had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, you see. We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins all tall tales in a blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn day, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on the end. And then, what do you say, Ari? You say,
Thank you for the story.
thank you for the story. Thank you very much. Say bye, friends.
Bye, friends. I hope you read Bear Snores on.